Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times Channel 195. And this, now the Ogbonge program when they come on top of your screen every weekday from 10 go reach 11. As in the heart, all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement, with the carry and drop arm as they come up let smoke like hot jollof. Can't give you opportunity to carry your long spoon from wherever you do inside Nigeria. Chook inside, talk am the way when it be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. My name na Ezo Gochokwote, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi when I stay concern any politic matter as it hot.
Good morning, our viewers. Today na Tuesday, another edition of your program, our program, everybody program. That program where they do it, where they informate you now with information we concern politics. As it hot, we don't carry and come in our way. And then today's edition will go different from the regulars. We don't carry and enter on that level. Carry and enter on that issue where they very important, not just for me or for now, for everybody, because this issue we won't discuss today, now issue where they affect Nigerians at large, but just like say a particular region, I don't know, I not just one know, but then just like say one particular region, somehow, then they too put effort to ensure say they do the right things there. And what thing would they talk about the state of our Nigerian roads and all that. We go open our phone line when that time ready for that to do it, for that to also contribute in our own quarter. I also tell us how it be for our own area. The roads where they give now issues for our own area. What they don't do about the road. If we don't say improvement and all that, these are things we will talk about. And when that time reach, the program never still change. The program has it hot. And my name now waiting. My name now Nkobe. Thank you.
Our president carry waka enter inside. Sorry, our vice president. Make I no make mistake. Carry waka enter inside Enugu. He go attend one kind better wedding ceremony for Cathedral Church of the Good Shepherd Anglican Communion. Wetin I see, as in they go and as in they come, make them shout, Che! People come and say, Vice President, why are you shouting Che? He said the kind road when he see for the southeast of Nigeria, said the road be like body massager. That is to say, if you climb that road, go, finish. If you reach house, you no need to do massage because the road, the way where the thing bad reach, the thing don't massage your body. People say, hey, he say he can't even add another one. He say anybody when go through that road, go house, and they no use hot water with strong, all this agbo, take press in body, say that person a strong man. Say the condition of the roads for the southeastern part of Nigeria, the thing they worrisome. But the question we want to ask today be say, what it happen when the roads, when the southeastern part of Nigeria, come spoil, reach the level when we say the thing called rotting. When we say even whole communities, some don't even get road at all. Some people now fly, they fly. Other people now river, now that they use, they cross from one village to the other. Waiting happen for inside the Bodo, Nigeria, especially for the southeastern part of Nigeria. Who abandon our roads? Who leave them? The contractors who then give money to build roads, waiting they do. Who give them this money? Who chook eye on top of the work when they do? Today, this new government we will get now, go begin to spend money to repair road. Where are we going from? Where are we going to?
Chukode.
Which one be Chukode? Contribute to the talk.
Chukode. I meant that call you. It says your mouth is sweet. It is a good thing this thing is coming out from your mouth. Say, if they talk about the state of our road, it's a good thing now from your own mouth. From our own mouth, now they come from.
What did happen to the man?
No. It only take the credibility and sincerity of one person, will be the vice president, to notice, say yes. The road in the south is very bad. When not there for power, since not there power, how many not discover? How many not fix? Chukudi. If they talk, like just like say with a hunt now, with a tackle now. But you see, no.
We know with this topic, man, you plan say we'll come discuss. We plan say we'll come discuss state road for the southeast, the bad condition of the roads for the southeast, based on say what Oga Vice President don't see. Say we'll come talk them together as one voice. Say make them repair this road. Why you can't they tell me say party? Why not party with this?
When you talk that one, tell me.
Before we come the show now. Now.
So that one no means I don't talk to.
No raise voice now.
That one no means I don't talk to. Don't tell me no raise voice. We can talk that. Because even say, in fact, you see what when we say some people are good at lying. How me and you go connive? Because they talk say this particular thing we go talk. When me and you go talk about? When me and you plan to talk this thing? You want to restrict me for even telling Nigerians the truth and nothing but the truth. Now what you try to restrict me from? Nigerians, now they here. For the past 16 years when they're in power, ask them what have they done about the state of our roads. That is the question we should be asking. We don't see people collect money for roads so they will build road. What have they done? That is the question, Chukudi. That is the question for you and your people. Answer it.
Nkubi, make we no shout. Make we bring
This is not why they bring down your voice. Why they bring down your voice?
So that we go talk this thing the way when the thing be now.
So the time don't reach to bring down voice. When they raise your own voice, when I don't they talk my own issues, they affect me. Maybe somehow way bounce on me. The rate at which I they calm you down, you don't agree one here.
But this issue when they discuss now, if we explain and give Nigerians, if they understand us where we come from.
I not also we no go explain and give Nigerians. That is what we are doing. We dey explain and give them as a matter of fact. But then some of this talk no require to they bring down voice. We need to raise our voice up, talk and do what we're supposed to talk. Just as I don't raise my voice. That's why I need to raise my voice up. At the drum. We are all talking to Nigerians.
But the talk, make we know.
I beg, leave me. No talk what you want to talk. Leave me out. No, they even try calm me down. What is the meaning of all this? Why calming me down on this issue? This is a very important issue. You're telling me to calm down. What the issue about Nigeria development? It require make the bring our voice down. It require make we talk about, make we raise our voice, make we talk and do the way they pay us over.
So you don't come here now and they talk like saying now you be born again. You don't come here now, they talk like saying that you be a good person.
I have always been a born again.
No, you don't come here now, they talk like saying that you be a good person.
I have always been a nice person.
Who is the governor of Imo State?
Why they ask me that kind of question?
Who is the governor of Imo State?
Nah, Rochas, the end, finish them up.
Thank you very much. Which party Oga Rochas dey?
Why they ask me? Wait,
because when I been start, they talk this thing small.
Okay.
You been they talk say, make we not take this thing easy now.
Why are you bringing Rochas into this matter?
Thank you very much. How many states make up the southeastern part of Nigeria? Not be 5.
Yeah.
Abia, Imo, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu.
Yes.
How many governors these people get? Not be 5. Irrespective of whatever political party that they support. If they don't talk about development for their state, they're not supposed to work pari passu. That is hand in hand. Okay. Waiting the governor of Imo State and the other governors they don't do. Not be waiting we plan say we'll call and come talk. When you come begin to face me, they go back to 16 years. Now waiting now you agree say we'll come talk for here be that. So that you go be like say you be the good person. People will already look me with bad eye. We not just say we go talk this thing, make everybody know. If Governor Rochas Okorocha, they want particular political party, and roads when they own state too, the thing they bad. Nobody say problem everybody they face.
Mention the roads they bad.
Which road? No, which road?
I'm not talking say the majority they affect that.
Which majority they affect that
part of the state, na erosion.
Thank you very much. Why you not going to talk about how government on they fight erosion? Why you going to talk like say some people no do what they're supposed to? They go back to 16 years. You don't see them now say you won't come they do eye service. Maybe people they talk say now you be good person. And they bring voice down for you since you know here. You they do eye service now.
Me they do eye service.
You they do eye service. As I don't call Rochas Okorocha now. Why your body fall down?
Rocha, what do you mean by how my body for that?
Who be the governor of Anambra State? Will Obiano? Which party Obiano dey? No be Abga. So this thing what they talk. We talk of something where they affect everybody.
No.
Erosion no political party.
Chukudi,
Erosion no state.
Chukudi, the fact is this. And it will remain a fact. This is a government which just come into place how many months back, and for them to just for it to take them this short while to discover say yes, a particular region they suffer bad road. I mean, it should be commended. It is a laudable aspect. We say they come and come talk. But when una dey there, you could have seen emphasize on that. When una dey there, how much of talking, how much of action now put into place? We know the amount of money where they take, where they implement, where they assign to road, to the construction of road and maintenance and all that. How many una put into use? They call the raise voice. If they try raise voice for me now to just say you want to counter with that right talk, it will not stop me from not saying what's in my mind and from what Nigerians want here.
Now wait till they talk. As you talk, wait till your mind. More they talk and small. So that everybody go feel here. No be as you come and done, they talk, they go back to 16 years. You understand? This problem when they face now problem when you say.
We cannot do without going back to history.
Now today you don't agree.
We cannot do without going back, bringing it back to a particular government that handed over to us. That has been in power for 16 years. We'll check their track record and find out what have they done to at least to make sure say the life of Nigeria. You say you hear that from Vice President Mount. Say you don't even need body massage. Say by the time different shot put gallop go down hit you, throw you one side. Nobody will tell you say that body massage you need that seriously.
Nkubi, we discuss this problem. We talk about solution. no fight over
I
this
will just
thing.
pardon you for this bringing your voice down. Because yes, you dey maintain voice, lowering your voice. I pardon you. Let's go ahead.
For the sake of Nigeria.
No, I dey pity you. That's why you are concerned. Nigerians, we don't tell them the truth, but you can't consider your pitiable voice, the way you take bring your voice down. That loyalty. Now it make me say, okay, let's make we talk the way we're supposed to come.
Our people went there for house. If we dey discuss the problem of bad road for southeastern part of Nigeria, one thing don't come out and the thing dey clear: the problem of erosion. And wetin be erosion? Erosion na something wey be say if you check the way when e take dey be, e dey come with nature. When we say land go dey chop, dey chop, dey chop, dey chop, dey chop, dey chop. But the thing get solution. Wetin be the solution? The solution na through different means wey be say you go work to use see say even though you no stop am patapata, you control am and you win back our land. But e come be like say the problem of erosion chopping all the roads and even different communities for southeast, people no consider am serious. Dem dey think of other things. Na im make the thing come bad reach the level wey be say e don bad reach, everything don spoil patapata. Now our senators dem, when they hear this thing, when Oga Vice President talk and some other talk, when plenty people don dey talk, they go talk say okay they go send high delegation make dem go inside the southeast go inspect. And they come carry waka enter inside Anambra State. When they reach, the thing when they see, it make their eye water full.
When they carry out this waka? No, I just dey ask. I won't know.
Now yesterday they carry out the waka.
Okay, because if now yesterday we don't see similar wakas of such from the old government, where they go they check out erosion affected states, check out the state at which how terrible the whole thing dey. What and what they do about that? They don't know so these things they go bad. The government aren't they aware of all these things? What have they done so far about it? They don't say erosion, in as much as a natural issue, say they get solution. Why are we still recycling over particular issue? Just they recycle over one particular issue. We just say we won't visit. Once we don't visit, once we don't go back to our offices, we don't close the chapter, we don't go do anything about them. Is that how it works?
Why they ask me? I'm with the Senate President.
I don't tell you, they voice out my mind, they vex me knee.
Why you gonna voice out your mind? They voice out your mind
again. The same routine, no. We need that visit. If they visit, this visit finish. Make them just know what they mention senators. Make them just mind themselves, respect themselves. Make sure say they implement necessary things they're supposed to implement.
No, wait. Why you come? Why you be saying that me all this frustration and anger? Now me you want the point on top?
Because it started from somewhere. Let's move ahead.
Unkubi, me and you agree before we come this show.
We agree. We on the tone of agreeing.
Why you gonna break our agreement?
We agree, of course, from the way they talk. Aren't we on the same track?
Why you gonna fire me now? Why they fire me?
Now the vex, the reaction of a particular past, now they make me now they stay up my reaction this way.
You go leave this past when they talk about because this is what they talk about.
Chukuna there, you feel like we cannot do without the past. The past, now you go restructure the future. Now you go restructure the present. Come make sure that it's strengthen and come make the future the motorable. They make sure that the future will feel work and well. If not, let's bring the past. How you go take get a right for front?
Unkubi, another problem when we say they don't identify and say for inside Obodo Nigeria now we get different roads when we say now the different levels of government and then control and then they run things. For example, we get federal roads and we get state roads.
Yes.
Now some of these federal roads now roads when we say even the erosion don't chop enter inside.
A particular this Enugu Onitsha road. There's a particular part of that road they will say the rate at which erosion don't chop enter the road itself. I mean, it is so bad they will say if people don't take care. What do they even talk self? The road, this is a road where we say, we don't hear over time, people don't really complain. The governor of the state don't really complain. That is, Peter be when they in power that time. Don't complain. The governor of Enugu State, as at them, don't also complain. And the point is, let us now bring it this way. Beyond government responsibility, we know say yes, God state, they also speak up at some point.
Very true.
But what have they also done to make sure, say at least, even if federal government, they ignore us, what do we do to make sure, say we put these things
But then again, make we check. Take, for example, Anambra State Governor, Oga Willie Obiano, he come out, he talk, say them don't try their best. But say even the federal government, they owe them 25 billion naira. If you dey try your best to do, and then they owe you no go wan continue now.
But you are supposed to invest for your state.
Exactly. You can't use and they tackle gully erosion. And the person when you dey try help, he be like saying no care. And another thing wey even shock plenty people yesterday na say when the person wey lead the Senate delegation, Senator Barnabas Gemade, former governor former PDP chairman
yes.
of
PDP then.
Of PDP. When we say on the high place for government, he say in they shocked. Say this kind of road don't chop reach this level. Meaning say some people he get the condition where they don't find themselves. They no care whether people they suffer or not because of say the place when they things they okay, things they all right. Now these people get representatives for the
Thank you very much.
Representatives, the lower
they get
house,
senators
and even senators. Why e be say people go dey deal with all this kind of problem for several years, and the people wey una dey represent, when we say una suppose know where the thing dey pain them,
we don't
dey talk, una no dey answer.
Sincerely, we don't
until road reach the level when we say the thing chop finish.
We don't see some of our senators and House of Rep members. The only thing they are interested in say, okay, we just make sure say we win this seat. Make we just go sit down, go cover up seat. They collect the monthly money and allowances, allocation, everything collectible. I never see it get a lot of senators, some House of Rep members. They never even stand up before. Move one motion or talk one thing. It has never happened.
True.
No, your own are just to shuttle between a house or your house to your house where they stay. They shuttle. How much of consideration you don't give the community where they represent? You want them to know say these things they eat deep. How much effort you don't do to present this thing for house so that at least people will also be affected go also feel speak out so that now we find solution to them. Rather, you go so the only thing you're concerned about is you're concerned about myself. Anything that happens behind my curtain or that happens to the community, I don't care. Make we just do it. Make we just move on.
Very true.
I mean, it is bad.
Make we collect this call from Oga Timothy. Oga Timothy, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Timothy, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi. Good morning,
Good morning, Timothy.
The issue on ground is just like what Nkubi has said the other time. This problem has been identified since the previous administration. I can remember vividly the time the former ministers of petroleum went to one of the areas that was so badly affected at that time with erosion, and she even shed tears. All this problem, we have noticed it in past, but it's just that people try to identify the problem without providing solution to them. Now, they have come up again with the identification of some of these problems. What I would just suggest in my own understanding that they should go further from just identifying the problem, make them do something, try to fix this thing. When we have not won election last time, into carry drones, saying why use a drone fight erosion, gully erosion. We see everything at that time. We the question and say why can't they bring a drone saying what they can do something? But we see all these things at the end of the day. Even I say the big man, if he faces the challenges of the erosion. That's why we are seeing all these things coming up again to the level of the Senate Hardcore Committee coming to inspect the whole thing. They have also seen it now. They don't see the problem, but make them go back, sit up. The administration of Buhari should try to at least get something done because it's like just identifying the problem without providing solutions won't fix this country.
It will not.
Something should just be done. At least there should be a kind of a drastic decision made. Effort should be put into place to ensure that all these things are put in place so as to be able to ensure that at least Nigeria is put on track to move so that we can at least for once enjoy this country.
Very
That's
true.
just my little contribution.
Oga Timothy, thank you very much for this important contribution
very
you don't
much,
drop down.
Timothy.
We appreciate them. We go collect this call from Pastor Samuel, calling us all the way from Delta State. Pastor Samuel, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Pastor Samuel.
I greet you now. Now they try well, now do well.
We greet you too.
Yeah, you know, this issue of road in this country, our vice president, he don't go Enugu, he don't say road bad.
True.
Now, our president come Delta State, he come refinery. He see many road way bad, even the back of refinery. I'm staying at the back of refinery. The road there, we know they fit follow them. If they come, not the plane that they enter. Now plane that they fly, they know they follow road. Now we they follow the road. And we are saying, not the only Enugu road square. Delta State as a whole, we not get any road.
All the old data.
They are bad. This government, may they come save this state. Let them come and save Delta State from this bad road issue. And I only that one I won't contribute. The thing they provoke me and I they thank on our way and they bring all the problem, they come and make them they fear. I say make God open their eye, make them they see the problem.
Now prayer too.
Talk them alone. Make them solve them, make them solve the problem. God has given us everything we need to solve our problems. The few people carry all our things, put out for their hand, they chop out. God go judge them, they no repent.
Pastor Samuel, thank you very much for
thank
this
you
your important
very
contribution.
much.
Pastor Samuel don't even come add another thing join. When we talk about the southeastern part of Nigeria, like we mentioned earlier, we get 5 states.
Yes.
And Delta enter inside south-south if you check the geopolitical zones. But Delta they're very, very close to even the southeast because Delta and Anambra then they share border. But in don't talk and say even for Delta then get serious problem and they battle with erosion. So this one call for state of emergency for that particular sector. Who go be minister for works? Our federal government, all the state governments, they're supposed to take that responsibility now so that they go solve this problem once and for all. Oga Obiora, all the way from Yola. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Obiora, yes.
You see, yesterday I'm trying to come, but because of how it is now, so I didn't get.
Okay.
So yesterday I want to contribute small on that yesterday before I enter today on.
Okay.
One thing that is worrying us on how our president is presenting us to international community. People call it true, that he's saying the truth. No matter how you wash your hands, give the knife 5 minutes, then and you will flesh it again. So, no matter how the day is trying to tell the world that we are damaged, that we are vandalized both mentally and physically, they will not come to invest in damaged country until he repair the country and they see that the country is repaired. But if you are telling the people that I am repairing, I have put this one in place, they will not see that you are progressing. Abel, let me come on today's issue. Because today's issue affects us personally, especially Anambra State, especially my town in Ebenebe, Okano local government. In my town, there is some housing that the nation is taking away.
Hey.
But we will thank P2B. P2B come to our rescue and keep that relation in our community. So, again, what we are telling our governors is that even if you are not a president or a vice president, no matter the little resources you get, try to develop your place. Because that Enugu Orita Express, Enugu Abakaliki Orita Expressway, I have gone the road many a time, is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. But Chile try and build the old road. Now people are flying through that old road. So that is why we are very, very annoyed with Goodluck Jonathan administration. Because that road is started from Yeradua regime. And when Goodluck comes here, Goodluck abandoned the road. So and people are using Igbos, that Igbos voted Goodluck. What did Goodluck do to us? So it's unfair. And even now, when you see this government now, their focus is not peace. So even at this regime now, we don't have any hope that that road will be fixed. But we believe in miracle. But as we are speaking now, between Enugu to Umumbandiagu, between Umumbandiagu and the 9th Mile, instead of the reason of taking that road, the road that is going to the direct. Now, if they allow the road will not cut China. And if it cuts, that means that all the road will focus on old road. And if it focus on old road, the road will not be last again. So I beg, may they help us. No matter how it is, may they just help us more. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Obiora, for that contribution we don't give us. Yes, you also outline the fact, say, yes, say even when the erosion issue, they give now issues. Say, now governor do it, now governor make attempt, the past governor make attempt to make sure at least he solve that particular issue. So now the kind of voices, the kind of at least activity, the kind of step we want make other people also take, at least eventually make we do it, make we hand over the rest of the problem to the federal government to take over. We got Madam Josephine. Good morning, Madam Josephine.
Uncle B, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Would greet you, Josephine?
Okay, I want to contribute to this talk today. Okay. What I want to be say, English say, a stitch in time
saves 9.
Saves 9. Our government, no, they try, so from the federal to the state. Because even when this erosion day, by the time it starts small, they can amend it. But we don't have maintenance culture in our own, especially in Nigeria. We don't have maintenance culture. Until that something don't become inches before our government will begin cry crocodile tears. The federal government, the state government has a lot to do, not only in southeast, in Delta, in south-south, in southwest. There's no good road. all the resources, all the materials we need to do those roads. We have them in Nigeria. We don't need to import them. So why are we suffering from what we have, what we are supposed to enjoy? Apart from that, the government should listen to the masses. We know they fly. How many of us get privileged to fly here and there? Most of the times, the vehicles will enter. And now we the sufferers. So I want their government, a stitch in time saves nine. Let them do this thing before it becomes beyond repair. Billions. And apart from that, our contractors need to be jailed. Let them revoke their license. How can you give somebody money? That person will not do anything, and the person will still be given another contract. It is not done. It is high time we take the law into our hands, as in our government. Do like the Indonesia. By the time 2 or 3 contractors are hanged or sent to prison, life imprisonment, others will take correction. So that is my own contribution.
Thank you very, very much, Madam Josephine.
You don't make plenty important contribution. Quickly, we go rush, enter this small break. When we go come back, we will continue our discussion about the bad state of roads inside the southeastern part of Nigeria. No go anywhere, now still as in the hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.